In this video, I will be showing you how to back up WhatsApp deleted messages on Android phone. For that, the process is very simple and easy. So in this video, I will show you exactly how you can do it. So if you're new to the channel, make sure that you like the video, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future updates. So let's dive right into it. So make sure that you have gone to the chats, and in the chats you have enabled the chat backup. So if you haven't enabled the chat backup till now, make sure that you have enabled the chat backup and you have backup all the chat to a particular designated Gmail drive. So that way you will be able to restore it once you have followed the next step. So the next step is go ahead and delete the WhatsApp. So once you do that, delete the WhatsApp and reinstall it. So that way, the WhatsApp will automatically restore the messages using the backup. So that way, all the deleted messages of the chats will be reappear in the chat. So this is how you can do it. I hope you find this video helpful.